Hi, this is Randy with Mystery Madness Collectibles. Here opening up another mystery box. It's going to be a Funko Pop box from Templar's Pop. It was $20 a box, and it's the search for Scooby Doo. So there's 5 boxes in this big box. 13 by 13 by 10. There's 5 of them in there. And no shipping on his boxes. So that's really good. So let's check to see what values we got. I usually do really good with him. So hopefully, I don't know how this is going to be in here. So okay. There are a box in boxes. So that's pretty good. Let's sit this down here. Alright, first box of 5. And there's 2 pops in here. Ooh, this one's in a sorter. And it's Scooby Doo right off the bat. Oh man. Ooh, it's a Gemini exclusive too. And he's flopped. Nice. Don't know if we're going to get any better than that. Oh, this one's in a soft protector too. Let's try to go to the back. And Shaggy. Oh man. Huh. Can't beat that. Shaggy and Scooby Doo. Holy crap. And we still got 4 more to go. It says that, let's see. Yeah. Man. Box number 2. Alright, it's just 1 in here. No soft protector. Oh, I don't have her. Pink Batgirl. Okay. I can deal with that. It's a pretty nice one. And the box is in mint condition. And I don't know if we're going to top the Scooby Doo and Shaggy. So I think that was one of the tops. Box number 3. And it's only got 1 in it. Borderlands 3. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hey, I play Borderlands. Used to. Haven't played in a while. That's a pretty good one. Alright. Box number 4. Yeah, looks like we hit the top one right off the bat. This one's just one pop. And it's not in the protector. Oh, Beast from Marvel. I have one. I have this exact one. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've got the one that's flopped. He's here somewhere, if I do have him. But I know I have one. Yeah, he's down there. Yeah, he's right here. I thought I had him. And our last box. Ooh, it's in a soft protector. Oh, come on. Ooh. Oh, that's a pretty cool one. I don't have this one. Nice. It's Beta Ray Bill. That's cool. Alright. Like I said, no complaints. Let's see what we have. The value is. And we'll go to Whatnot. And we'll do Beast first. And looks like he's coming at around 15 bucks. Alright, we'll do Borderlands. And he's coming in at 15 bucks. Oops. Now let's see. And Batgirl Pink is coming in at $15. Marvel, Thor. See what he's coming at. Ooh, he's coming at $25. And now we'll do Shaggy. $40. Cool. And now Scooby Doo. $60. Alright. Yeah, that's a pretty good box. I paid $100 for all of these total. Scooby Doo, $60. Shaggy, $40. That paid for the box itself. $25, $15, $15, $15. Yeah, like I said, I love his boxes. He does really good with them. And no, I'm not sponsoring him. I just really like his boxes. But yeah, I really, really, really like his boxes. So if this is your first time, please like, subscribe, notify for the next video, and comment. Like I said, I'm still new at all this YouTube and videoing, so any comments to help me out, I really appreciate it. Thank you and have a good day.